The best hot-swappable keyboards offer something other decks simply can't: the ability to customize and re-customize your typing feel time and time again. If you love mechanical keyboards but struggle to find the right style switch, do not worry. With a hot-swappable keyboard, you don't have to pick. Switches have never been easier to change, no soldering required. Hot-swappable keyboards can customize your gaming and work experience. They give you the flexibility to design a look and feel that work of your style. I have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Number 5. Keychron K8. The Keychron K8 is now one of the most affordable hot-swappable keyboards from the well-known brand. However, should you invest a little more, you will be glad to find a full set of 5-pin switch beds in here, with Keychron optical red, brown, or blue switches to choose for your shaped build. Switching between the Mac and Windows compatibility is easy with the FN key, giving you access to 3 different connections and a small switch on the side swapping modes as well. Plus, that 4000 mAh battery will ensure you are tapping away without worrying about your juice running out as well. The high-profile design of the K8 does put some off though. It's worth taking a good look at the bezel lip and taller form factor to make sure the angle is right for you. Number 4. Glorious GMMK TKL Hot-Swappable Keyboard. This 10 mechanical keyboard comes with a switch puller tool and keycap puller tool, plus the flexibility to accept Cherry, Keychron, or Kali brand mechanical switches, making keyboard customization easier than ever. If you enjoy customizing your keyboards and want to try out different switch types or mix and match switch type of the same keyboard, this GMMK TKL Hot-Swappable keyboard makes it easier than ever to do so. It even comes with a switch puller tool and a keycap puller tool. With the gamer and first typist in mind, this modular high-end mechanical keyboard also features anti-ghosting technology and an NK rollover so you don't miss any clicks. Its convenient 8/7 key layout offers a full set of function keys and maintains a compact form. It offers programmable RGB lighting with up to 16.8 million colors and connects via a USB-C cable. Number 3. Mountain Everest Max. The Mountain Everest Max is a turbocharged gaming keyboard. Not only it is fully hot-swappable, but the TKL base unit can also be expanded with a modular number pad and separate display dial. That makes it an incredibly versatile unit with the gaming chops to match. An aluminum base plate, magnetic USB-C connections, and comprehensive software makes this an extremely luxurious package. The Mountain Everest Max feels like it leans more into the gaming audience than other hot-swappable keyboards do. You are getting a nice response time and 4 dedicated macro buttons to boot. However, the biggest indication that this kit is designed for a gamer to invest in is that its digital display dial. From offering up starts on PC performance and APM to controlling RGB lighting, volume, and setting different profiles, this notch dial is a joy to use and completes the whole experience. Number 2. Keychron K2. If Bluetooth is a must-have on your hot-swap 75% keyboard, then the Keychron K2 is the wireless hot-swappable keyboard for you. Not only does it have Bluetooth 5.1, but the version we have linked here has an aluminum frame for additional rigidity and lift. We are okay with plastic frames, but it's impossible to deny that aluminum just adds that different high-quality feel that can make a board stand from its competition. The Mac keycaps features on the K8 make a return here, which is nice to see. Unfortunately, as with all Keychron keyboards, the K2 keycaps are relatively thin ABS. The K2, like all Keychron boards, lacks any sort of software customization and configuration. Key remapping isn't critical with 75% boards, but we would be at least like to be able to tweak the RGB lighting. Thankfully, the K2 comes with 18 different lighting modes, which should stop you from getting bored with them too quickly. Number 1. Drop CTRL. This mechanical hot-swappable gaming keyboard uses a compact yet convenient 87 key layout to save space while still offering arrow keys and a full set of F keys. It uses a solid built-in switch plate to minimize unwanted wobble, giving you a solid, precise typing experience. This version comes standard with hollow true switches. For those who like to customize their keyboard, it's compatible with Cherry, MX, and Kali switches as well. one of the best looking keyboards out there. It has a minimalist, classic design without cheesy graphics or extraneous style touch. It uses shine-through double-shot PVT keycaps with easy-to-read legends, and users can adjust the lighting to each key. Magnetic adjustable field help and comfort for a more ergonomic typing experience.